Hey there YouTube, it's Olivia again, and today I'll be making some chicken enchiladas. And so I filled my crock pot with fresh corn that I chopped, red onions, bell pepper, cilantro, a can of diced tomatoes, and a can of rotel, and some garlic cloves. I'm gonna put this in the crock pot. I'm gonna add the chicken and some enchilada sauce, and I'm gonna let it cook for about 3 hours. So here I have 3 chicken breasts and some of my seasonings that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use this fork to move the chicken around because I hate touching raw chicken. But here we go. So I'm just gonna add some lime. I am Dominican and we love to add lime to all of our meat. So I'm putting lime on it. Sorry guys, I obsessively wash my hands when I cook. So here's some adobo. Garlic powder. Chili powder. Oregano. By the way, I always make a big mess. And ground cumin. Okay, I'm gonna turn it around and do the same thing on the other side. Oh, yeah. Sazongoya. So we're adding a little Dominican flair to this Mexican meal. Flip them a lot better this time, huh? There we go. And adobo again. Garlic. Chili powder. Oregano. Cumin. I'm running out. And last but not least, sazon. So guys, I used fresh corn. I just chucked it, and let me tell you, I tasted a piece of that corn and there's nothing like fresh produce. That corn was so good. I wanted to eat it just like that. So I have another cob in the refrigerator, and I might just make a salad tomorrow and eat it raw because it was so good. So I'm gonna add my chicken now. And I have my crock pot on. I had it on already. And so it's releasing the juices of the vegetables in there. And it already smells kind of good. And so now I'm gonna pour my red enchilada sauce. And there we go. I'm gonna let that cook for about 3 to 4 hours on high, and then I'll be back to show you how I set up my enchiladas. And on top of that, I will be taking some of the meat, and instead of wrapping it in a corn tortilla for myself, I'll be making mine in a bell pepper. I try not to eat too many starches, so I'll have mine in a bell pepper, and my boys and husband will have theirs in a corn tortilla, and they're both delicious. So see you in a bit. Okay, so now my chicken has been cooking for about 4 hours. I took it out and I shredded it, and it looks like this. I also added some beans that I had in the freezer because I use the dried beans and I freeze them, and then I use them as I need them. So yeah, this is not your typical enchilada. I don't think they put beans in the regular enchiladas, but I put beans in there. So usually what I do is I wet this. I know it's weird, but it makes it more workable. And then I'm gonna add some of this in there. And then I'll roll it. And I'll put it in here. This is a very messy job. I don't know, my juices dried up, so, well, you know what, I'm just gonna do it this way. Because I'm gonna throw some enchilada sauce on top. So. Okay, so I've prepared the enchiladas, and now I'm pouring the green enchilada sauce over top. And here's the best part of all. We're gonna put some cheese. I'm gonna put some Colby Jack cheese and some sharp cheddar cheese. Okay, so now this is for the boys and my husband, and now I'm gonna prepare a bell pepper for me. So it's just fun to have a colorful one. So I got a yellow one. I have a red one in the refrigerator also, but I thought this one was cute and it tastes really good. So obviously I'm gonna cut up all the seeds. Like I said earlier, I am a messy cook, but once I'm done, I clean it up. So. Okay, so I'm gonna pop these in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes until they get nice and soaked up and tasting good. So guys, here's the finished product. I made some yellow rice accompanied with avocado and the enchilada. I hope you guys liked it. So here's my bell pepper enchilada. I put avocados in it, and yeah, it looks really good. So I'm gonna tear this up. Anyway, if you like this video, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks. Have a great one.